dear students, welcome back to my channel Master Mathematics by Shaiji Mohandas. Today we are discussing about the topic factorization of the cubic polynomial. Okay, you have to thoroughly go through these problems. Okay, I am given two problems. Let us see how to do. It is very easy and simple. In this cubic polynomial factorization, first step is trial and error. In the trial and error method, we will get one factor. Again, we want to find the two remaining factors. That means we have to divide as long division method. Then it will get the quadratic polynomial. After that, you have to do splitting the middle term. If you understood one problem means it is easy to do all the problems. Okay. If this problem is understood means you know how to do the long division method and how to do the splitting the middle term. Okay. Let us see how to do. This the first question is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. That is the first question. That is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. So first of all, what is the constant term here? Minus 1. So first of all, we have to find the factors of the 1. What are the factors? It is very easy, only one factor. So first of all, we have to trial and error method. That means we have to substitute p of 1. So what is p of 1? So 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 1. 1 cube is 1. So minus 3 here plus 3 minus 1. Look at this. Plus 3 and minus 3 will be cancelled. Plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled. So this is equal to 0. So if it is p of 1 equal to 0, then what is the factor theorem? If p of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. So here p of 1 equal to 0, then x minus 1 is the factor of p of x. Is it clear? What is the next step? Next step, we have to divide p of x divided by x minus 1. What is here p of x? This is the p of x. Let us see how to do. So here x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 divided by, what is the factor? X minus 1 is a factor. So x minus 1. Okay. The fourth step, what is here x? This is x cube. So which term to multiply this x becomes x cube, that is x square. So the first step is we have to multiply x square into this whole term, two term, that is x minus 1. What is that? X square into x cube, x square into minus 1 minus x square. So first we have to write here x square, then here x cube minus x square. Next step, here we have to subtract. So we have to put a minus. So let us see, plus x cube minus x cube will be cancelled. Then this is minus 3x square, this is minus into minus plus. So that means minus 3x square plus x square. So 1 is negative, 1 is positive. Minus 3x square plus x square means one number is positive and other number is negative, means big number minus the small number and put the sign of the big number. What is here? Minus 3. So minus 3, that is 3 is the big. So 3 minus 1, 2. What is the sign of the big number? That is minus. So the answer is minus 2x square. So you have to write here minus 2x square. Next step, we have to put this 3x as down. Next, what is here? Minus 2x square and here x. We have to multiply this x become minus 2x square, means here minus is there, means you have to put minus. Here 2 is there, minus 2x. So you have to multiply this minus 2x into this term, x minus 1. Minus 2 into x minus 2x square minus into minus plus 2x. You have to equalize the first term. This is x, this is minus 2x square. So you have to multiply with minus 2x. So you have to write here minus 2x. So here the answer is minus 2x square plus 2x. Okay. Then what is the next step? We have to subtract. So change the sign. It is here become minus, here also minus. Okay. Then this will become positive, negative, positive. So it will be cancelled. Then plus 3x minus 2x plus 3x minus 2x. So these are also positive and negative. So big number minus a small number. That is 3x minus 2x. That is 1x. Sign is positive. So it is x. So we have to write here x. Then minus 1 here. Minus 1. This is x. This is x. So we have to put only 1. So plus 1. So x minus 1. Again changing the sign. So it will become negative. This is also negative. So it will become 0. So if the p of x is divided by x minus 1, we will got the quadratic equation. That is x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Next step is splitting the middle term. What is here the coefficient? That is 1. Here also 1. So product of two numbers. Let us see. Product of two numbers. That is two numbers product is here 1 into 1. That is 1. Next the sum of the two numbers. Any two numbers sum is the middle term. That is minus 2. What are the numbers? If any two numbers multiply get 1 means what are the numbers? 1 into 1 only 1. But the sum is minus 2. So both the numbers are negative. So minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 2. So the numbers is here minus 1 into minus 1. Here minus 1 plus minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. Minus 1 plus minus 1 both are negative. We can add and put the sign. So 1 plus 1 minus 2. So how can we write here? So x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0 means we have to split this term. So x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. That means look at this. From the 2 we have a common x. So here remaining x minus 1. From the 2 you have to take as a common minus 1. So here x minus 1. Minus 1 is take it as out. So minus x minus 1. From the 2 this is the common x minus 1. So x minus 1 into here remaining x here remaining minus 1. So x minus 1 are the two factors. Okay. So finally we got three factors. First factor is x minus 1 is got it. Here the second factor is x minus 1 and third also x minus 1. So the total factors are x minus 1 the whole cube is the factors of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. Is it clear? First step trial and error. Second step long division method. Third step splitting the middle term. Okay. I hope you all understood this. Factorization I already discussed so many times. Again you have any doubts, please write below the comment box. Next we are moving on to the second problem. Let us see how to do. Okay. The second question is x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 is a polynomial. So we have to factorize. How can we factorize? First of all we have to take coefficient is 1. This is 6. So we have to write the factors of 6. That means 1, maybe minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3. These are the factors of the 6. First of all we have to take as 1. So we have to substitute p of 1 equal to 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square plus 1 plus 6. So 1 minus 4 plus 1 plus 6. Look at this minus 4. So minus for 1 positive, 6 positive. So that is plus 8. So it is equal to plus 4. So it is not equal to 0. So if it is equal to 0, it will become a factor. Here we got it is not equal to 0. So next step we have to put minus 1. So P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 the whole cube minus 4 into minus 1 the square plus minus 1 plus 6. Let us check. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square is plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 6. This is minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 plus 6. Look at this. These three are negative. So that is minus 1 plus minus 4 minus 5 minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. So here we got P of minus 1 equal to 0. Then what is the factor? X plus 1 is the factor. So x plus 1 is a factor. Now we got x plus 1 is a factor. So x plus 1 is a factor. One of the factor. Next we have to find two remaining factor. Let us see how to do. What is the next step? Next step is the long division method. P of x is divided by x plus 1. So what is here? X cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 divided by one of the factor x plus 1. Okay, then here x cube, here x. So x cube. We have to equalize the first terms. So x multiply with another x term, we will get x cube. What is the term? X square. So x square into this term x plus 1. That equal to x square into x cube, x square into 1 plus x square. So you have to put here x square. So this is x square. Then x cube plus x square. Next step we have to subtract. Change the sign. So minus minus. It will become positive. Minus 4x square. This is also minus. So minus 4x square minus x square is equal to both are negative. So we have to add. So minus 4 minus 1 minus 5x square. So the answer is minus 5x square. Next step plus x. Next you have to equalize the first terms. So this is x. This is minus 5x square. So it is here minus means here also minus and here the coefficient is minus 5. So we have to multiply with minus 5x. Minus 5x into x plus 1. Minus 5x into x minus 5x square. Minus 5x into plus 1 minus 5x. So here we have to write it minus 5x. Minus 5x. Then minus 5x square minus 5x square minus 5x. Again next step we have to change the sign. So this is minus, this is minus. This become positive, so it will be cancelled. Here plus x. So plus x plus minus into minus plus 5x. So plus 5x. So answer is 6x. So you have to write 6x. Next step the plus 6. First term is 6x. Here this is x. So what is here? Plus 6. So you have to multiply 6 into x plus 1. That is equal to 6x plus 6 into 1 plus 6. So we have to write here 6x plus 6. Again next we have to change the sign. It will become 0. Now we got it is a quadratic polynomial. That is x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Next step we want to find the splitting the middle term. Next step we want to find the remaining factors using splitting the middle term. Let us see how to do. here x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Listen, here the coefficient is 1, this is 6. So the product of two numbers, that is a constant, that is equal to 6. And sum of the two numbers, that is the middle term, minus 5. Okay. So one is positive and another is negative. Sum is negative. So look at this. Any two numbers adding, we will get negative 5. Any two numbers, that same numbers multiplying, we will get 6. What are the numbers? 3 2s are 6. Here both are negative. Minus 3, minus 2. Minus into minus plus and minus 3 into 2, 6. Minus 3, minus 2. Both are negative. We can add and put the sign minus. So what are the terms? That is x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Next step, we have to take common in these two terms. X square minus 3, that is x as common. Here x, here minus 3. From the 2, any common, 2 is common. So we have to take minus 2. Here x is remaining, here minus 3. Because minus into minus plus 2 into 3, 6. Okay. From the 2, again x minus 3 is a common. And remaining here, x is there, here minus 2. So x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we got the three factors. What are the factors? First we got x plus 1 and x minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors of the polynomial. So finally we have to write x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 are the factors of the polynomial. We have to conclude that. Okay. Is it clear about this factorization? We already discussed so many problems. Okay. Again, you have any doubts, please write below the comment box. Okay. If you like my video, means like and do share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, it means please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon on the right side. Then only you will get more updates from my channel. Okay. That will help you to achieve good marks in your examination. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon on my next video. Till then, bye. Next class we will discuss about another problem. That is the important problems we will discuss. Okay. Thank you.